Thanks for logging on to myfoxhurricane.com. Still a little ways to go in this season, but we're heading towards the end there. But we have two areas that we're watching. First one, that's at Invest 94. We've been talking about this for a number of days. And the good news is that is looking less and less likely that anything's going to happen with this. And it's basically what we've been talking about. It's got very dry air surrounding it, and then it's going to be working its way into an area with much higher wind shear. So conditions just aren't conducive to see anything developing. So remember, several days ago, that was up to about a 60% chance of development. We're all the way down to a 10% chance, and that's basically just going to bring some additional rain across some of the islands down through the Caribbean. Eventually, it looks like it'll kind of curve down into the Caribbean. Now, the other area that we're watching, this is now Invest 95. This has a 50% chance of development, and as you look at this, you can tell quite a bit of convection with this. This is really starting to ramp up in intensity, and this is the one that for really several days now, the models have been really latching onto this and showing more and more development. Now, in the short term, it still has a little ways to go. You look at that visible satellite imagery, and we do have that broad area of low pressure, but you're really starting to see a lot more convection with this. And so there's still the possibility, because this is getting more and more organized really every hour, that this could become a tropical depression before it makes landfall. Now, regardless whether it does or does not become a depression, it's going to just basically bring a lot of rain across portions of the Yucatan Peninsula, working its way over Central America. Then that's where we're going to really watch this as it works its way across Central America and eventually out into the Pacific, because you see this just large area of convection. But watch what the computer models do. You see a number of these models work it right over Central America out into the Pacific Ocean, and then just continue to work this way on towards the west. So could this become a named system in the Pacific? Well, if it doesn't get a name in the Atlantic, it might just do that. So you look here at the Fox model there, you see it work its way right over it, and really seeing a sign there of this system developing as we go through the first part of next week. Other than that, things are quiet, but we will keep you posted as we go through the weekend and into next week. We'll keep you updated right here on myfoxhurricane.com.